In this video, you'll learn how to enable WebGL 2.0 in Google Chrome so your browser can take advantage of your computer's graphics hardware and deliver richer 3D visuals, smoother rendering, and better performance on interactive or graphics-heavy websites and web apps. WebGL 2.0 is required or you want faster, more responsive visuals. This walkthrough will guide you through the setup. Start by opening Google Chrome and going into its settings. Click the three dots in the top right corner of the window, then choose Settings from the menu. On the left-hand sidebar, select System. Look for the option labeled Use Hardware Acceleration when available and make sure it's turned on. This allows Chrome to use your GPU instead of relying only on the CPU, which is important for WebGL to perform properly. If it was already enabled, you can move on. If you switch it on now, Chrome may suggest restarting later so the change can take effect. Next, you'll enable WebGL-related flags that unlock WebGL 2.0 support. Click the address bar, type Chrome//flags, and press Enter. This opens Chrome's experimental features page. At the top, use the search box and type WebGL to filter the available options. In the results, look for WebGL Draft Extensions and WebGL Developer Extensions. Each of these entries has a drop-down menu next to it. Set both to Enabled. Depending on your system or Chrome version, the wording might differ slightly, but the goal is to activate the available WebGL extension options. After enabling them, click the Relaunch button that appears at the bottom of the page. Chrome will restart and restore your open tabs. Once it reopens, WebGL 2.0 features should now be active and available to compatible sites and applications. If issues continue, make sure Chrome is updated and that your graphics drivers aren't outdated. Once everything is properly set, you should experience smoother graphics, better visual quality, and improved responsiveness in WebGL-enabled content.